Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a toggle on and off command using Quick.Db since it was highly requested by one of our subscribers in the Discord server. So now let's hop into the video. Alright guys, so first of all we want to go to our commands folder. Oops, what's wrong with my mouse? Let's go to admin and let's make a new file, name it toggle.js. Alright, first let's use our top thing here. Let's name it toggle. Alright, and now we want to check if the user have permissions. So if message.member.has permissions. Alright, and let's put here the name of it. Let's just say like manage messages. Alright, you can just put anything you need. Return message.channel send you don't have permission to. Did I just say permission? I don't know. You don't have permission to you to, let's say, execute this command. Alright. So first of all, we want to make a function. Alright. So that function will be the command name. Okay. So basically here we're getting a command name to check if it exists or no. So this will be different on each command handler. For mine, just do the same as me. For a different one, just try to see what I did and try to combine them. If you face some difficulties while doing that, you can join our Discord server, link in the description, and you'll get help. Even the source code in the Discord server, so you can check it out. So we're gonna do let a equal false, alright? So if I said a, it's false basically. So client.commands.forEach, and like that I'm getting each command in the bot, alright? And only one command, I will name it y. So for each one it will be named y. Alright. So if y.help.name because here, as you can see, you might have it different, as I recently said. Alright, so I have here the command, alright, that is y, and then .help, that is gonna be this, and then .name, the name of the command. Alright, you might have it different, I'm saying from now. And copy pasting will just give you errors, so you need to understand how this works. So if like that, so A is gonna be y.help.name. Alright, we're all set. So here we want to put, after all of that, we want to put here return A. So it returns false. So if it finds actually the name, alright, if the name of the command already exists, that's good, it's gonna return like true, we're gonna continue, else it's gonna return false. So now we want to say if no args1, that is basically gonna be the name of the command. So let me make it clear. So toggle here it's gonna be args0 and then this args1, alright, and after that it's args2 and like that, alright. So args1 is going to be on or off, alright, so let it be like this, and args1 is going to be the command name, so command name, and we don't need that, I just put it for explanation. So if there is no, because exclamation mark means no, so if there is no args1, return message.channel.send, please provide the command name. Alright, so we don't want people to actually like toggle off the toggle command itself. So we want to put here if args1 equal to toggle, alright, return message.channel.send you can't disable this command, alright. So here starts the fun, alright. So we want first to check for arg0. So if arg0 equal to on, alright, else if arg0 equal to off, alright. I will just want to put the last else. It's gonna be just like an error or something. So else message.channel.send please specify on off, alright. So let's see this. It's pretty funny here. Here where starts the fun. So first of all, I'll need to do here const.db equal require Quick.Db, alright. So if it is on, what we want to do, so if it is on, I want to await first, and then command name is going to be args1, alright. So here I want to check if the args1 is not a command name, alright. I'm gonna do message.channel.send no command found with that name, alright. So now I'm gonna do const command fetch, alright. That's how I'll fetch the command from the database. Equal db.fetch, and let's name it here like command toggle, and then let's put here message.guild.id, alright. So first I want to say if there is no command fetch, alright, because it might be null. Let's just put it as if it's equal to null. So let this be let, because it will be an array, alright. So I'm gonna just put like that, alright, in case it's null. So I want to say if command fetch, and then after command fetch I'll put command fetch dot includes, alright. So it's includes what? Includes here. So basically, how is that? So an array is basically something like this. Here it's gonna be like ms, alright, dm, those are just command names. That's an array, basically, just have some stuff in it. So we want to check if those stuff includes a wait. I'm gonna just make a wait command name, alright. I want to check if it includes the command name that's gonna be arg1, alright. So I'm gonna do return message.channel.send if it is not there, because I have here the exclamation mark. So if it's not there, I'm gonna say this command is already on, alright. On, that means working perfectly. So here I want to do const like filtered. We want now, alright. So if everything works fine, I want now to check the command fetch, and I want to filter it, not filter. I'm going to do like this, alright. So what I just did over here, so filtered is gonna be basically the whole command fetch normally, but without the command name. Alright, so I'm gonna just do here db.set command toggle, and then just message.kill.id. I want to set it to the new one that's filtered, basically. Alright, so here it's good, and then after that I want just to return message.channel send successfully enabled this command. Alright, so what I'm gonna just do over here, I'm just gonna copy all of this and paste it in the off port. Alright, so basically so far they are both the same, but I just want to remove this one. So if it exists in the array, I want to say that it's already off. Alright, and then I'm gonna add it. Instead of just doing this, I'm gonna just disable here, and instead of doing that, I'm gonna just remove this line and do db.push. So I'm gonna add the command in this array. So in this, the command gonna be added here. Alright, so if it is there, that means it's disabled. So let me just take a quick look, just check if everything works fine. Alright, so far so good. So we're pretty much done with the command. We just need to go to our index at the message event over here. Alright, you'll see you must have something like this, commands.run and that. Alright, you don't have, like, it might be command.execute, might be anything else. It don't have to be commands, it can be command file, it can be anything. Alright, and run can be execute. Anyways, if you have this, alright, I want you to do something like what I will do right now. So here I'm gonna put those into brackets. Alright, I'm gonna just paste it here again. So I want to check before executing the command. First I want to get the command fetch. Alright, I want to fetch the command from the database, from the db. Fetch command toggle. Alright, message. Also, if you're waiting for the mongoose one, I'm gonna make it, don't worry. It's pretty easy. After this, I'm gonna do if command fetch equal to null, so it doesn't give an error. I want command fetch to be this. Alright? So here is a port where I'll check if it exists in the array or no. So I'm gonna do command fetch dot includes and commands.help.name. Alright, and what is command.help.name is basically the command name. Alright, so why do I have it like that? Because here, as I told you before, I have here help and then name, so it's commands because I defined it as commands, and then .help.name to get the name of the command. So I said if it exists, I want to return message.channel.send. This command is disabled. Alright, we're pretty much done. Now let's try it out. Hopefully it works perfectly. So here's the deal. I'm gonna just do toggle without anything else. Oops. Alright, says please provide command name. I'm gonna do like that. Okay, sounds good to me. So I'm gonna put here on, and I'm gonna put like, let's just do DM first, check it's perfectly working, and that's my other bot. Let me just turn it off real quick. Alright, I turned this bot off. Now if I did DM, only this is working. Okay, so I want to check for another one. Let's use MS. Alright, over there. So those are two working commands. So if I did toggle on one of them, because they are already working, it should say the command is already on. Alright, sounds cool to me. So I want to put toggle off DM. Alright, let's check if there's any errors. Alright, let's check this out. So filtered is not defined. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Alright, because I just need to change this to the command name. That is basically args1. Let me just put here. You don't have to put that, but I will just put it like this to put like double check. Alright. Now let me put this here. So it's successfully disabled this command. So if I use DM, perfect. Alright, let me use now the same command but MS. Alright, perfect. If I did MS, doesn't work. If I did DM, doesn't work. Let's use the aliases, alright, for the, which one? For the MS one, there is an anti-C. Alright, let's try it out. As you can see, even with the aliases, it doesn't work. That's perfect. So I'm gonna use here this. Let me just copy it. On. Let me make it on. Alright, so if I did now MS, perfectly working, and if I did DM, it doesn't work because I didn't make it on yet. So if I did like this, now it works perfectly. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.